I'm trying to get him in here. He won't come.
He won't
come. He won't sell.
You made me spit up the damn Budweiser. That's just something you don't do. What? Let me tell you something. Okay, I was whipping ass and taking names when the red on your neck was diaper.
What do you think about all this stuff on stage? What is? What do you think?
You know, he's not the real thing. Go find the real thing.
The real thing's in the other room. You gotta go get the real thing.
Will he come in here?
He's in our booth. I'm trying.
Let's go get him.
I can't. You go get him.
Let's go get him.
Go call him. Go on and tell Rob to get in here.
Oh, okay.